Hello students, good morning. I am your teacher present here to discuss the question answer part of our new chapter, the scholar's mother tongue. So in previous classes we have already discussed the chapter and we have also discussed the gist and difficult words along with sentences. So in today's class we are going to learn the question answer of this chapter. So please open the page number 120 and start from reading is fun. So the first question is, who came to Akbar's court? All of you know that a Pandit came to Akbar's court. So how could you write the answer? How would you write the answer? A learned Pandit came to Akbar's court came to Akbar's court. A learned Pandit came to Akbar's court. What did he claim to know? What did the Pandit claim to know? He claimed to know that, or he claimed that he had a mastery over many different languages. Like this. He claimed that he had a mastery over many different languages. You should write from the book. Okay. He claimed that he had a mastery over many different languages. How did he challenge everybody? How did he challenge everybody? He challenged everybody, or he challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. Like this, from here, he challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. Okay. So these are the three answers of your question. Reading is given you in reading is fun. So let us talk. What is your mother tongue? I told you that mother tongue is the language that we use to communicate with each other in our home, or that we use in our home. Okay. Tell the class a joke in your mother tongue. अच्छा, अगर आपका जो मदर टंग है वो हिंदी नहीं है या फिर कोई और लैंग्वेज है, तो आप उसके बारे में और उसी लैंग्वेज से एक जोक पूरे क्लास को सुनाएंगे. अगर आप हिंदी भाषी क्षेत्र से नहीं हैं तो जो भी अपना लैंग्वेज है उसी भाषा में और उसी लैंग्वेज में एक जोक सुना के वीडियो बनाएं और ग्रुप में भेजें. डू यू नो एनी अदर लैंग्वेज? डू यू नो जोक इन इंग्लिश? टेल योर फ्रेंड्स. ओके. आपको अगर पता है कोई जोक तो आप क्या करें, अलग लैंग्वेज में उसका वीडियो बनाएं और ग्रुप में सेंड करें. सो लेट अस लिसन टू योर फेवरेट एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑन द रेडियो और टीवी. रिपीट इट विथ स्ट्रेस ऑन द वर्ड्स. एक्ट, ड्रॉ एंड राइट द एडवर्टाइजमेंट. इन लॉकडाउन और इन today's environment, we watch TV and radio so many times. Okay, so you are watching, when you are watching TV, you came up with a lot of advertisements, so you should repeat the stress on the words. Okay, आप क्या करेंगे ना, जब एडवर्टाइज देता है तो कौन से वर्ड पे स्ट्रेस देता है उसको राइट में लिखेंगे. ओके, राइटिंग में करेंगे. Act, draw and write the advertisement. If you like that advertisement, then write something on that advertisement or draw something on that advertisement. Okay. Now came to the say aloud. Ask, bus, mask, task. Okay. Scholar, school, scan, scheme. The first four words are ask, bus, mask, task. These are the rhyming words. In second line, scholar, school, scan, scheme. These are the words we start with S. Okay. We say, I learnt my lesson. So here the action word is learnt. But a learned Pandit came to the court. यहाँ पे learned जो है वो describing word है. Here learned is the describing word. We pronounce it as learned to rhyme with created, waited. Okay. Created, waited. So tick the words which end with the sound ID. Say each words aloud. Accepted. This one is the right answer. Completed. this is also right answer. Find, no, this is not. Answered, no, this is not. Challenged, no. Leaked, no. Irritated, yes. Cried, okay. Celebrated, okay, this is the right. Failed, no. Surprised, no. Fried, yes. Okay, so these are the answers. You can write or you can do it in your copy or textbook. So in today's work, you have to write down the question answer and tell us a joke on your mother tongue with video and learn these words. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.